The single-disc automatic grinding and polishing machine is made in accordance with international standards and advanced process technologies. It's a new generation high-precision grinding and polishing device with an automated sample preparation process. Turn the knob to adjust the pressure control parameters. The pure copper faucet rotates freely and covers a large area. The grinding and polishing head is rotatable. Manually lock it after turning it to a suitable position. The grinding and polishing disc can be replaced quickly. Set the grinding time, ranging from 0 to 9999 seconds. Start the equipment. The samples can be clamped at C1 workstations with single-point pressurization. Press and hold to manually adjust the speed steplessly. Control the grinding and polishing disc to rotate forward and backward. Control parameters can be preset with a maximum of 7 loops.